Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is nothing. No reactions, no explanations, just silence. Because in psychology, silence isn't emptiness, it's energy. And when used intentionally, it becomes one of the most effective tools for control, clarity, and self-respect. 1. Why silence works. Your attention is your most valuable currency, yet most people give it away too freely, constantly explaining, chasing, overthinking. Psychology shows us that when you remove your energy from a situation, without anger, without bitterness, you create mental contrast. You shift from being noise to becoming a signal. As Dr. Albert Mehrabian's communication theory reveals, what you don't say often communicates more powerfully than what you do. 2. The mental effect of ignoring. When you stop engaging, you trigger a concept called cognitive dissonance, the brain's discomfort with uncertainty. People don't just want closure, they crave explanation. But when you go quiet, the mind starts filling in the blanks on its own. It creates hypotheses, it loops, it obsesses. That's the silent influence. As Carl Jung said, that which we do not understand, we project meaning onto. Silence isn't passive, it's strategic. 3. The art of intentional disengagement. Ignoring doesn't mean being cold or cruel. It means setting boundaries without burning bridges. It means choosing not to respond when your peace is at risk. It means understanding that not everything requires your reaction. When you disengage intentionally, you conserve energy. You redirect attention from what drains you to what builds you. Psychology calls this emotional regulation, a high-level cognitive skill linked to resilience, self-respect, and even long-term success. So the next time you're tempted to chase, to react, to over-explain, pause. Remember, silence isn't weakness, it's psychological strategy. In a noisy world, the quiet ones often hold the most power. If this resonated with you, subscribe to Psychology Pulse, where we decode the unseen forces of human behavior, mental strength, and dark psychology.